because it gives you the hood if you want to keep your head warm.
Dahil busy guys si Mister na halos 1 week. Kasi Monday to Friday yung kanyang pasok. Kaya, ngayon lang kami makakalabas. Malamig nga pala talaga guys. Mahangin. It's windy.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why it's gone too cold.
Hmm?
That's why it's too cold because it's windy.
Yeah.
Malamig.
It's because it's damp.
Yeah. Hello little one. I hope you are not that cold. It's 10 degrees, but how it feels like? Less than.
The car's saying it's 12 or 13.
That your car is liar. Not telling
Possibly,
the
yeah.
truth. Okay. Yeah, no more leaves. They losing. Almost gone. In the wrong way. Dito na kami guys. I'm gonna turn on my mic. Put her in the...
Pushchair.
Huh?
In the pushchair.
Yes.
What about the camera?
No, put her in the pushchair. So, dito na kami guys. And sabi ko ilagay sa pram ang aming baby. Ayan. Maraming shop dito na pwedeng pasyalan at pagpilian. Parang gusto ko rin pumunta ng TK Maxx. Wala, tingin-tingin lang. Ready na muna namin ang aming baby. Nakataas pa ang kamay, guys. Naka-ano siya. Suit. Nakasuit din naman. Malamig kasi. Dito kami, guys, sa Next. Tingin lang ng damit. Pero hindi pa ako bibili kasi yung mga damit pa naman ng aming baby. So, hindi ko pa masyadong bet pumili. Gusto ko yung maramihan sa Mark & Spencer. Kasi maganda ang quality sa Mark & Spencer. Namimili na naman si Mister. Kung ano-ano. It's nice, cardigan. Pero dami niyang cardigan. Bigay ng anak ni Mister. Shoes. Ito yung shoes. Boots. Ang cute. Manipis naman tong ganito. Kano yung suit nila? 25 pounds. Ito maganda. Fairy. Balahibo. Kikay. From ate. Hi. Hello. Show your clothes there. It's nice. Look so fat. Oh, that's thick.
Yeah, it's to keep warm.
Yeah, it's nice.
Not necessarily
Like that.
keep dry.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I thought, oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's thick, isn't it? How much is it?
So it's a 2.5 tub. What it's for sleeping in.
But the house is not too cold.
No,
It's
no.
18 pounds.
Yeah.
So she don't need this. If you're gonna wear that, she's gonna wear it outside. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakalabas. Sayang-saya. May music, shucks. May background music na naman sila. Ang lakas. Sana hindi naririnig yung background music. They have music. Look at the big eyes.
Yeah, because of the teddy bears, look.
She can see it. Yeah, because it's dark color. Hello. She's looking in the camera. Say hi, ikaw. Hi.
And this one.
Because it's dark, she can see it. Oh, it's nice. Also, the same inside, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice. Ang taba ko sa aking coat. Ang lamig na kasi, ang kapal na tuloy ng suot. Hindi tayo bruha guys for today's video. Nakapag-ayos ako ng buhok. Nakapag-plancha-plancha. So, pag nasa labas kami yan, nakakapag-film ako. Dahil si Mr. ang nag-aalaga ng aming baby. Ang dami ring mga damit dito. Pag nag-sale sila dito guys, sobrang mumura din talaga. Yung iba kong mga long sleeve, dito namin binili yon.
Pinky one.
It's cute, it's nice.
There's one for now here, look. A
Yeah.
money one, look.
Ano si Mr. Tinitignan niya na ng coat ang aking mga anak.
These are for girls.
These are girls, yeah. 11 to 12. Yeah, it's nice. But I told you, they look like comforter.
Comforter.
Yeah, comforter.
Come on, madam. Come on.
Blanket. She's awake. She is awake. Bukas ang aking coat.
You've learned something.
It's
Undo your
open.
coat.
Nakakapagbukas na ng coat.
This is good.
Yeah, good for
What
her.
she needs to do. She needs to be awake when we go out.
Where is Boots on the other side?
Barbells under the stairs.
Yeah. Ang gaganda ng kanilang Christmas decor. Oh, ang gaganda. Nasa labas ang mga tao namimili. Titingin-tingin din sila ng Christmas decor. Ito maganda. Ito pang sabit sa Christmas tree. This is for Christmas tree, isn't it? Ang cute to. Mag-ice skating ang daga. Ano kaya ito mga to? Ito 3.99 pounds. Itong angel. Parang ito ay para sa tapat na taas ng Christmas tree. Ito ay 4.99. Ito din angel. But pag sa Christmas tree, mas gusto ko ay star. Ito 3.99. 6.99. Cute oh, artificial flowers. But 6.99. Pang decor sa labas ng bahay. Gingerbread. Uy, ang dami na talagang pang Christmas decor. Oh, they have Christmas tree. 129.99. Kanilang Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah.
So that is TK Maxx.
Thank you.
And then what is this then? No, this is TK Maxx.
Yeah. I don't know what that was.
Let's go in there. Yes. So let's go at TK Maxx. Ito ang TK Maxx.
You go out for it.
Ito yung mga branded nila. O, DKNY. How much the DKNY? 16.99. Cut muna
This
tayo.
one is just gone.
Dami na accessories. Ang dami silang accessories, but hindi ako mahilig sa accessories. Mas gusto ko ang tunay. Golds. Sampi! Nandito na naman tayo sa TK Maxx, guys. DKNY coat. Ang ganda yung coat. 19.99. Ang daming fake plants. Maganda rin sana yan. Kaso, aalikabukin lang pag fake plants. 14.99. Ito pa. Dami din nilang slipper dito, guys. Dito na kami sa baba ng TK Maxx. Ito maganda din, but it's too soft. Ayoko na may ganito sa slipper. Ay, tingin tayong shoes. Uy, may guess sila, oh. How much? 39. Ang ganda. May Skechers. But it's white. Magkano yung kanilang Skechers? 24. Let's look around. Ang cute ng mga kids shoes nila. 14. Ang mura, oh. Frozen. 14 pounds. It's cute. To 24 pounds. Levi's. Ang ganda, oh. Mga branded ang shoes nila dito. Pero limited. Oh, there are real Christmas trees, isn't it? Ito tunay, guys. Oh, Christmas tree. How much are they kaya? Ito tunay. Pero ang liit. 19. Ang lamig. So tayo sa loob. Ay, cute. Until Christmas. What is this? Ay.
So that's an option. You put a little gift in each drawer, and then they open each drawer on the day.
Yeah. So it's a surprise. So tumingin itong boss. So dito kami bibili, guys, kasi medyo mura dito for me. Gusto ko ay silver and blue. Wala silang blue. I like this, oh, Christmas ball.
You'll understand why.
Is it crowded? It's warm. Ang cute ng kanilang Santa Claus. How much the Santa? 20? 19.99. So, 20 pounds. Pang display sa bahay. Ito sa labas. Ito maliit. 14.99. Pag maliit lang. Cute naman. Dear Santa, snacks for Santa, drinks for Santa, acrobatis for Rudolph. Ang cute. 99p. Saka na kami bibili ng ganyan. Pag may mga bata na, nandito na yung aking mga kids. Para ma-enjoy nila. Pati yan. Dahil dadalawa lang naman kami ni Mr. Hindi practical. Ito guys, Christmas ball, 8 pounds. Marami na siya, 35 pieces na. Nidilaan ang kanyang coat. So, ang Christmas light nila dito ay 5 pounds. Gusto ko yung white and yellow. Ito guys, ang gusto kong ipang design, silver. Ito madami na. May malaki, may maliit. 15 pounds. Ito ang Christmas tree guys. 9.99. 6 feet. Pero parang ang unti ng dahon. Kapiranggot yung dahon niya. Ito payat. 24. 6 feet din. Pero ang payat. Ito medyo malaki. 34. Snowy. Maputi. There's only 60 pound in there. Do you think this is enough? Yeah. And 2 those. Okay. Let me check. Titingnan ko yung Christmas tree sa Argos. Ang daming tao dito guys, namimili. Parang puro pang Christmas decor din. How many you get? 2?
The 50p. Okay.
Gusto ko ng flowers. Hanapin ako ni Mr. Ito oh. Magkano kaya ito? Kaso nang dalaglag.
Once we've got the tree to look at.
Kano to? Anong price? 150. I want to get 2. So, ayan. Kuha tayo ng flowers and ng snowflakes. Parang okay na to. Hindi kami dito guys bibili ng Christmas tree. Sa ano na lang, Argos.
We need to go.
We're gonna buy Christmas tree, Argos.
They don't have any in stock. I've already checked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are we going then?
So if you want,
Nga ba ng pila? Hindi talaga nakita ang lens. Nakailang hanap na. Nawala ang lens ko, guys. Sayang eh. Pero okay lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun ka big deal. So, ilagay muna natin itong ating binili sa car. Ito kami ng Boots and Dunelm. Wala na ang lens. Liit lang kasi yun eh. Wala tuloy. So, ayan. Maumay kayo sa aking mataba na Faye. She's so big with that suit. In that suit. So, anyway guys, ganyan talaga. Hindi ko na siya mahahanap. And then, okay lang yun. Hindi ko rin naman siya ganong ginagamit. Kaso sayang. Kasi sometimes, pag maliit yung space, ginagamit ko yung lens na yun. Pero okay lang. Parang feeling ko pinulot yun ng mga bata. Yung next sa amin sa line. Siguro na curious ano yun. Kasi wala talaga siya. Chinek ko na yung box eh. Halos inisa-isa ko na wala talaga. Ang lamig for today's video. Pero at least nakalabas kami ng aming baby. Kahit nakaka-freeze sa labas. Malulobat na ang aking mic. Karga-karga na lang ni Mr. ang aming baby. Hello! It's a bad day. I lost it. Look at that, oh. Tabahan tuloy ng aking muka. Walang lens. Walang extra lens. Gamit-gamit ko tuloy yung handle. So, kasi namin magtingin na mga carpet. I have to stretch my legs. Kailangan ko i-stretch yung aking arm para hindi masyadong malapit yung camera sa aking face.
Oh, she's gone.
It's so cold. Patingin sa akin yung isang afam. Akala niya ata kung anong pinaggagawa ko. Ba't ako nagsasalitang mag-isa? Na-curious sa camera siguro. Ito. Maganda. I like this. 55. So, ganito yung mga ano nila dito, guys. Carpets. So, ito ay pag small, 29, something, 55, 99. Gano kaya kalaki yung small? Ito ata. But I want darker. Maganda yung nakita kong carpet. 99 pala. Ito 69. Gusto ko plain lang sana sa carpet. So yeah, do you think?
You want that big, don't you?
Yeah, I
You
want
that
this.
size?
Yes.
2 meter by 3 meter.
Yeah, so she can lay on the floor now if we're gonna have a rug. She can, lay on her tummy, as you said. What about this one? Oh, I don't like the filling. I like this one. Ganda. It's nice. Delivery in 5 days. I like that. But blue. $6.99. Ang bigat ng aming baby, guys. Tulog, hello. Parang kami binabanas pareho. Oh, I like this. Oh, it's so comfy. Inis ako na lagdag ang lens. Feeling ko pinulot yun ng mga batang kasunod namin sa pila sa cashier. Ang ganda nito. Magkano to? So, meron pa pala siyang different style. Pwede siyang L shape. I like that. So, I think what best to get is this one.
No, just hang it on. Don't bother tidying it. Just hang it. Just couldn't do it. So, I would go.
I like this. Maroni gray. Ang hangin na. So, she is happy because she is full. Hindi na maligalig ang aming baby. Kasi busog. Boots, guys.
No, they don't.
No, you don't know yet.
No, they don't do the ear.
The eyes? Lamig. Singin lang ako ng panghilamos. Ito. Ayoko ng scrub. Ang ano niya sa mukha, guys, masyado siyang matapang pag-scrub. So, dapat wash lang. Face wash. Ito. Pero dapat yung may... Ito dapat. Pero dapat yung may niacinamide. Puro scrub. Masyado kasing matapang ang scrub. Pag everyday mong i-scrub yung face mo is not good. It's not healthy. Facial wash. Ito siguro. Hindi. Prevent breakouts in full appearance. Acne marks. Salicylic. Fragrance free. Kuha ako ng mas malinis. I can use my card. I have my card with me. So, ito. Fragrance free. Tamang-tama ka dyan. Ito yung may niacinamide sana. Ang lamig na, guys. It's getting cold. Hapon na yata. Sobrang hangin na din. I'm gonna walk here. Where are you?
Yeah, we're going that side.
Someone is happy when out. It's sunny, but it's so cold. Nakakasilaw lang. Saying hi. Hello. Wait. You don't like it too? Natural. Hello. Tan, 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 tan. Ito so expensive na. Ito medyo nice. Look for more picture. Why me? You can do it yourself.
She's meant the decision.
And you're the one who gonna pay for it.
Go back up.
Pay by card. Ang laki. It's lighter but big box.
Yeah. More awkward, but not ever.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, hello. Oo. Parang ang dulas ng sahig. We're home, guys. Nagawa si Mr. Guys ng lunch. Pizza. Is that the one you said? Are you tired? Huh? You've been all over the place. Yeah? In the next vlog ko na lang ang Christmas tree setting up. Wait, what's wrong? Babay na ikaw. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.